Hi, I'm Madeleine. I'm an apprentice offshore wind turbine technician. I've been living the dream basically, and it's been great. My apprenticeship has really helped me with preparing for going into the industry. It's given me real world training on the offshore wind turbines. It's really helped set me up to thrive in the industry I want to work in. I think apprenticeships are a great way to learn a trade that you want to go into. It's helping you with your earning whilst you're learning. Your employees really want to see you develop. They've got a vested interest in seeing you grow, and they'll nurture your development throughout your apprenticeship. There's lots of opportunities that will open up for you if you go for an apprenticeship route. In terms of my journey through with offshore wind, I'm lucky enough that there are quite a few female engineers on site. It's great to see that more and more girls and young women are applying for the course and getting roles. I think it's essential on any team to have a mixed variety of a diverse team to help solve problems and think differently. So it's really great to be a part of the generation that's leading the way. I would 100% recommend an apprenticeship for anybody who likes working hands-on. Just have a go and get stuck in.